Oh shit. Good, thank you.
Okay, next question.
Okay. Here she is right here.
Whoops, this is a bad idea.
Potentially. Yes. Come on back, come on back. Plus you gotta see who's asking the question.
Okay, next question.
Matt, just so you know, we're in with the question, everybody.
Senta aí, galera, senta aí, senta aí. Senta, por favor, por favor. Calma aí.
My name is Lena, and I wanted to ask Matt, what character would you like to be if you weren't allowed?
I would do Damon. I think Damon would be the best character to do. Or Cole. I like Cole.
Vamos vir pra frente, vamos
I like both.
esse corredor livre.
Good question, thank you.
Volta pro lado, por favor.
All right, next question.